Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Please like and comment if this video helps you and subscribe to this channel to get updates about the new content. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to host Jupyter Notebook on your choice of VM instance. We will follow three simple steps to install and use Jupyter Notebook on Google Cloud Platform, which is create a VM instance, then install Notebook package, and finally access the notebook. Following these steps, one should have the Jupyter Notebook up and running in less than 10 minutes on the choice of the hardware. Creating a SSH key pair is an optional step. If you don't have an existing SSH key pair, you can follow this step to create one. To create the SSH key pair, I can run command ssh-keygen and provide the parameters and the output file. And this generates the key pair. So now we can see we have the private key and the public key, which we can use while creating a VM instance. Now we are on the Google Cloud Platform console UI, where we will navigate to compute instance, which we can find under compute engine, VM instance. Let's click on create to create a new VM instance and fill out this form. I can put name as Jupyter Notebook. Region I can choose as Europe West to London and zone as Europe West to C. We can select our required hardware, and for this demo I will select N1 Standard 2, which is 2 CPU and 7.5 gig of memory. We can select the operating system which we want. There are lists of public images like Debian, CentOS, etc. I will leave as Debian. The disk I will increase from 10 to 100 gig, or you can increase or choose the value which is suitable for your purpose. Then we will set the SSH key and public IP by going here. Under the security, I can provide my public key. If you already have existing SSH key pair, you can use the public key, or you can create one by following the optional step. Then we go to the networking. We'll use the default network, and here I'll just confirm that the primary internal IP is ephemeral and the external IP is ephemeral, which means we are going to have a public IP. Let's click on create to create the virtual machine. Now the VM is up. We can SSH by clicking here, or we can use the SSH key pair which we supplied when creating the instance. Now we go to the terminal and SSH into the machine. SSH -I, the private key, the user is same Jupyter underscore demo, and the public IP 34.89.47.122. This is the public IP I got for my demo. This could be different when you create your own VM instance. Now I am logged into the Jupyter Notebook VM instance. Let me update the apt packages. Sudo apt-get update. Let's first install pip. Let's install Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook packages are now installed. Let's put the local bin in the path so that Jupyter Notebook can be started. Now we will start the Jupyter Notebook. Now the Jupyter Notebook has started on localhost port 8888. To access the notebook on your local workstation, we will create a tunnel to this instance and access the notebook. To create a tunnel, I will open a new terminal. I will run a command to create a tunnel and say forward the traffic to my local port 8888 from the remote port 8888. I missed to specify the private key. Now let's go to localhost 8888, which will open the Jupyter Notebook. It will ask for the password or the token. What we can do is we can copy this URL, which has the token, and open it in a tab. So now we have our Jupyter Notebook running on the Google Cloud VM instance, and we can access the Jupyter Notebook from our local workstation. I can create a new Python 3 notebook, say demo notebook, and I can start firing the Python commands to do my work now. I hope this video helps you to quickly create your own Jupyter notebook on a custom hardware. Once you no longer need the notebook or the VM, you can stop the VM or delete the VM to save the cost. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment to provide the feedback. Finally, please subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates.